Welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and the second video in the pocket playlist, where you'll learn how to sew every pocket imaginable. Today we're making jeans patch pockets, practical, stylish and a perfect place to add your own design flair. You'll also find a free downloadable pattern in two sizes, one for men's jeans and one for women's. Download it and follow along with me. By the end you'll know all the tips and tricks to sew a professional jeans patch pocket. Here we're looking at a number of pockets that I've found in our wardrobe, my combined husband and my wardrobes. So if we look at the first one, this one's got top stitching all the way around. It does have bar tacks at the top, which are like half a buttonhole. It's got the decorative stitching across here in a dart. This one is, the shape's been changed, so it was a little skewed, and it's higher on this side with an angular bar tack. They've put the logo up here and then some decorative stitching applied. This one's got rivets included and it's got the decorative stitching coming down and crossing over. This one's just got your bar tacks in here and then it's got decorative stitching offset on the corners. This one has the logo out the side, it's got bar tacks on the top and decorative stitching in here. And this one's got a logo, a metal logo sewn on with holes in here, so it's been stitched. It's got bar tacks at the top and then decorative stitching around. It has a seam about 2/3 of the way down with a row of edge stitching. That's giving you a bit of an idea of some of the things that you could do to a pocket if you're trying to come up with a unique design. I'm not saying at all to copy any of these, but it just gives you inspiration to come up with a creation of your own. Here's the pocket style we're going to create today. First of all, prepare the pattern. Download and cut the pattern. Glue the pressing template and stitch guides onto card for durability. Cut your pocket fabric and mark the notches, drill holes and your decorative stitch lines. Press the hem. Using the notches as a guide, fold the hem over 1.5 centimeters or 5/8 of an inch twice and press. Let's talk about thread. You can use top stitch thread, but you'll need to adjust your tensions. On domestic machines with drop-in bobbins, avoid top stitch threads in the bobbin. It can jam. Use regular thread in the bobbin instead. For this sample, I'm using a regular thread in a contrast colour. Stitch across the hem. Decorative stitching. Stitch along your marked decorative stitch lines. Add extra lines 6 mm or 5/16 of an inch below for a professional finish. Press the hem. Shape the pocket. Using the pressing template, press the seam allowance over to create a professional symmetrical pocket. Position the pocket. Line up the pocket so it covers a drill hole centrally on each side. Then slide it up 6 mm or 5/16 of an inch to cover the holes. Pin in place. Attach the pocket. Start stitching at the top. Edge stitch around 3 sides. Pivot. Tuck the seam allowance in and sew 3 stitches across. Top stitch around 3 sides. Once again, tuck the seam allowance in, stitch to the top. Pivot, Sew 3 stitches across and finish with a back tack. Finally, give the pocket a good press. And that's it, well done. You've just sewn a professional jeans patch pocket. In the next video, you'll learn how to sew a scoop pocket with a money pocket included. Perfect for skirts and trousers. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you're sewing along, I'll see you there.